Today we're going down the McCalmy River, and we need to make a bungee rack for our kayak. So this is a do-it-yourself video. Here's the things you're going to need. Now we got all our marks. Time for the drill. Take your rivets, put them in place, get your rivet gun, after you've secured your loops on both sides, you want to take your bungee cord and run it through, or do a crisscross. We're going to leave it long so we can adjust it for this side here. One side, after you get done looping the bungee through, you want to make a knot here to put your clip on. So what we do is just take it about like that, roll it around, come back, pull out. Gives you a knot to clip. Jam. And you want to thread it through this side to where the barrel comes out, because what this does is locks down and it doesn't come out, so it locks it, but you can tighten it and it will not come out. Once you got it threaded through, you can actually clip it on here and then tighten it up. If you need more, just feed it through. And there's your do-it-yourself bungee rack.